Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be unboxing my recent purchases and I'm so excited to show them to you. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I will start with the Roger Vivier purchase, and this one was complete impromptu. Actually, I was going to get another pair of shoes that I absolutely love, but I wasn't sure if it's still available in a store. I was planning to buy it online, but one day I was having lunch with my friend and I decided to stop by the store to see if my size is available, and it was there. So I just had to buy them on the spot. I love this one so much and I often get a lots of questions about this pair of shoes. Many people ask me about the brand. I love them so much. They're the most comfortable shoes in my entire collection. They're perfect for a daily wear and I wear them everywhere. These shoes look absolutely beautiful with every single outfit, as long as the color matches, of course. I have these shoes in a black as well. I have 3 pair with different heel sizes. One is in patent and 2 other ones are in a leather. And now I have 2 white or off-white ones. If I'm not mistaken, the heel is about 7 centimeters and I can wear these ones entire day. I can walk as much as 10,000 steps in this and I won't even feel any discomfort. In the future, I might add other colors. It's just I typically wear black or white. These are my most worn colors. Moving on to Bora Aksu, and I'm just so excited that all the items are finally here because they had to ship some of them from Hong Kong. By the way guys, I posted a shopping vlog which I'll link down for you in case you want to check it out. I tried on some other items. I'm very new to this brand. All of this clothes was on sale and initially it was 40% off from each item, but later they came up with another deal when you could get 50% off when you get 2 items. So some of them I got with 40% discount and some with 50%. I just love this sweater. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with the shade and I also love the details. I will show to you how it looks on me as well. I love the fit and I actually have a bag in exactly the same shade and I can match it with. I think it would also look great with my other bag in a mustard color. I love adding pieces that would encourage me to wear my other accessories. Actually, I forgot about some of the items because I was waiting to unbox some of them together. I love this jacket, it's so cute. And also I purchased a matching pair of shorts. I just love the fit and I'll show to you them on me as well. I like the cut, they're quite flattering and I also like the way they look with the top. I love that the fabric is not too thin, it's just perfect. It's such a timeless and classic design. I feel like I would be able to wear it for years to come, which is important for me. I'm a huge fan of simple but yet interesting styles. I also love wearing shorts because it's just so convenient. I can always wear them separately. The jacket looks really nice with the jeans. I love that look. I prefer to buy more versatile items because I'm trying to actually buy less of clothes. I want to have a few pieces that I absolutely adore and which would mix and match together and go with everything. I also got another jacket, but it's in navy blue. The texture is a bit different and the fit is a bit different. The material is thicker. It's the first one that I spotted in the store. I actually got it first. I love the fit, but I had to shorten the sleeves a bit because they are too long. The store did it for me. And also there was a matching skirt, but I decided not to get it because I was not sure about the fit. It's not that flattering, but I'm just okay with the jacket. I already have another set from Sandra with this skirt, so that's just enough for me. I feel like I would be able to wear this jacket quite often. It just goes with so many bottoms, with so many jeans and even trousers. Next up is a skirt that I picked up. The design is so interesting and I love the fabric. It's really different. The pattern of the fabric is quite unique. And I love the quality. It seems like this one doesn't get creased very easily, which is important for me. I really don't like the skirts that get so many creases, especially when you sit down. It looks like you never ironed your item. Actually, whenever I try on the clothes, I always check how easily it creases, and if it creases very easily, I just don't want to buy it. It's not for me. And here is a matching jacket, which is so cute as well. When I tried them on, I just love that look. Actually, the jacket looks great on its own as well. I love that look with the jeans, and that's how I spotted it. The color is really nice. I like the way it matches everything. It has this clean look and it's quite interesting. And of course, it looks amazing with the skirt. It's perfect for going out with friends, going for lunches, for dinners, running my errands. It's really cool. I feel like it's going to be an easy outfit, especially for when I will not know what to wear. I spotted this stunning dress at Self Portrait. I just love the design. It's so cool and I know that the quality is pretty good. It's the first time when I ever ordered from them. Actually, I wish we had a store here, but unfortunately I can only buy online. I ordered the smallest size and I feel like their clothes goes true to size. I have to say the packaging is so cool. I love it. I wish Madge and Sandra had such beautiful packaging. But let's just see how it looks. I love the fact that they wrapped each button, which is so good. It helps to protect them. And the buttons on this dress are so beautiful from the pictures. Here is the style code. But I have to say, when I tried it on, it was way too flared. I did not love that part. I feel like next time I will only buy figure hugging designs. I feel like the flared style is way too much. Anyways, guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!